The prices to rent a house here or buy a house here is completely different than from in the West. To buy the house that I'm currently renting, it goes for 70 to 75,000 US dollars. Where in Canada, if you buy a house just outside of Toronto, for example, Mississauga, and it's that size, you're paying over $1 million for that house. And that's Canadian. So you're gonna be paying about 667,000 US dollars. So about 10 times the amount. I don't know, is it worth it? Who knows, depends where you like to live, what you like to do. For me, it's not. That's why I'm here, obviously, to rent a place like that in Toronto or around Toronto. It's gonna run you about, in US dollars, about 2,000 US dollars, just for the comparison. Whereas I'm paying 260 US dollars per month for a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom. It's the evening time now. It's beautiful. So we're just taking a stroll in the community here with Dylan. All those houses are completed, and this one they just completed. Hi Dylan, how you doing, big guy? So Dylan's going for a stroll in the neighborhood. The advantages of living here instead of the downtown is, of course, quiet, nature, community. It's gated, much safer. And of course, for Dylan, quieter is good. He gets better sleep now. Not a lot of traffic coming by. So he's really, really happy about that. And the disadvantages of living here is, yes, tuk-tuk rides are over an hour to downtown, so that could be a big minus for some people. In my previous video, I mentioned that there's a night market within the gated community, but it's a night market, so it was closed when I was filming it in the early afternoon. Now that it's later, we get to go check it out, see some prices of the food. As the sun starts to set, you could see people here starting to get their groceries and things for their houses. It's beautiful. In the previous video, this was not up yet. This is where the kids are gonna be able to play with their bikes, and they just gate it off this way so it's safe. And now you can see the restaurant is open and ready to serve. Here's one of the restaurants. There's the prices. So 4,000 real is $1 US. So that would be $2 and that would be $2. Spaghetti. There you go, 10,000 real. Special chicken curry with rice, 10,000 real. It's $2.50 US. And Dylan's playing with his friends. There you have it. Oh, that's cute. Dylan wants to shake your hand. There's the playground. Super spicy spaghetti. Has minced pork, basil leaf, chili, olive oil. 10,000 real. That's $2.50 US. Then you have the special curry set over here. $2.50 as well. Really, really good. Great pricing. And for coffee and drinks, $1 to $1.50. There you have it. Even less than $1. You can get yourself a smoothie, refreshing drink. So for half $1, you get 1 skewer of barbecue beef. I'm gonna try that, and I'm gonna try some eggs. There you go. Less than half $1 US. You get yourself a little bit of egg and condiments to go with it. We'll be trying that. In the previous video, you could see the shutters on all of these businesses here. But now, the lights are open, shutters are open, and soon it's gonna be packed with people from the community. This reminds me of Paris, how you could put a lock on a chain here. As you can see the locks, symbolizing love and all of that. That's really nice. So many people in the previous video asked me the location of this residence and things like that. However, you can find these type of residences everywhere. They're called borais, and all you have to do to find one is go to Facebook Marketplace, type in houses for rent or houses for sale in Phnom Penh. Check out a realtor, tell him you'd like to live in a borai area or a gated community, you'd like to rent, or if you're looking to buy, you can tell him that as well. There's houses here to buy and to rent, and he'll show you around. He'll probably bring you here as well to this location and other locations just like it. So there are so many locations just like this one. Just get on the internet and search for it. You're gonna find so many that you're gonna like and that you're gonna look at, and then make an offer. How to negotiate the pricing and all of that, that's gonna be in another video. I could save you a lot of money on using certain tactics and things like that, so stay tuned for more. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe. It helps more people find this channel, especially those who wanna live here and become Cambodian expats. And it's a wonderful country to live in, so this really helps the algorithm on YouTube when you like it and comment and subscribe to the channel. It really helps people find places such as this through these videos. Here are the LED lights that come on at night. It's gonna look really pretty soon. Look at the prices. $2 for all of that. Kid friendly. Soon this will be packed with kids. A lot of kids are gonna be here. Once the sun starts to set and go down, you're gonna see a lot of families coming here enjoying some beverages, some food, and a lot of kids. Hi Dylan, how are you doing? So Dylan grew a lot of hair since the last time you saw him, and he has all his friends here. Well, some of them. All of them are coming a bit later on when the sun goes down and all the lights are on and it's really pretty. Just check this out, beautiful. And like I was saying in the previous video, you have the little chairs and seats. Here's the spaghetti I ordered. Let's taste it. She says it's spicy, so looking forward to that. Taste test time. So delicious. The pork, very fresh. The ingredients, extraordinary. The spices, everything in here. It's packing some heat. So delicious. Just look at that, guys. $2.50. Can't go wrong. Here we have barbecue beef on skewers. Some garnish there. Let's try it. Taste test time. Okay. This is gonna be hard. I don't know which one's my favorite now. The beef is super tender. Very well done. Right on the grill. It's crispy on the outside, but so soft on the inside. And this garnish, it's like pickled garnish, just makes it. Look at that. So good. And just imagine, this is only an 8-minute walk from my place. If you have a motorbike, it's literally less than a minute. So you have everything at your doorstep here in a gated community. And again, like I said, there are so many places like this. So check with a realtor, go around, check them out. This one's a little farther out from the city center and from the Royal Palace and from the river, the main river. So you might want to live closer there. And they do have gated communities or borais there as well. They even have elite status, which are huge, beautiful homes if that's what you're looking for. And of course here they do have small, medium, and villas. So it all depends what you're looking for. How did I find this place? Very simple. Go to Facebook Marketplace, enter houses for rent in Phnom Penh. From there, one realtor will show you a bunch of places. Even though he's not on the listing of other places, he can still show you those places. You just tell him, hey, I saw these other places, you mind showing me? And he'll show you them. And check out all the gated communities, near, far, so you get a good picture of everything. So this is called Pong Mong Ang. If I'm saying it wrong, leave it in the comments below. But I tried my best. It's egg, beautiful, with this garlic garnish. And it has some kick to it as well. Very excited to try it. And it's under 40 cents US for each one. Here you have Dylan getting fed by one of his neighbors. So nice. Her husband's a French expat from France who lives here. Just like that. Take the little spoon, scoop. Check that out. This is a must try. Under 40 cents USD for each one. Really, really nice. Sun is setting beautifully there. And as the playground gets really, really busy, it's my cue to leave because Dylan is getting very, very tired. He said hello to some of his friends, but that's about it for him. It's time for him to go to sleep soon, so we're not gonna stay as late as the other people there. Dylan's really tired, look at him. There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate you watching.